both Jim Hansen and I try to develop mathematical model of climate, which turned out to be very powerful tool for not only predicting future climate change, but also understanding why climate is behaving as it does. And I think, however, model is not far from perfect. There is a large uncertainty in our prediction of future climate change. And also there is many important factors which was not included in this climate change. And we have to observe actual climate change using remote sensing from satellite and various means of observation. And see how well climate has been predicting the climate change. If model is not satisfactory, then we have to improve this model continuously into the future, comparing prediction with observation, and then make model more reliable than they are now. And therefore, then we can prepare for future climate change as a society as a whole. The climate change prediction we made has already been confirmed. And very often the people who are skeptical doesn't do homework. And sometimes maybe their skepticism is not necessarily based upon this evidences, but also they often depend upon what they want to believe rather than what is actually happening. And I think best thing we can do is to keep showing that climate change we have predicted is actually happening on this planet. I actually trained as a meteorologist, and I always enjoy looking at the skies and thinking about how weather changing and why. And I hope more people are interested in try to study climate change, which is such an interesting topics. And the mathematical model of climate which you use for predicting future climate change also has been very useful for understanding past climate change, like ice ages or warm climate of dinosaurs, when dinosaurs living. And and very fortunately, more and more observational tool is available. And high-speed computer, we can use these high-speed computer to study climate change. And so I think it's a very interesting discipline, which I would like to have more young people get involved in it, because climate change is such an important issue for our societies. BBVA Foundation has chosen very important discipline, which is very important as we go into 21st centuries, and how to adapt to the changing environment and changing social system.